Now, here's the deal. Don't make email marketing more difficult than it needs to be. In another Tyler Perry interview, he gave the perfect example on how to do email marketing. This is what your competition does. They give stats, figures, and coupons. Tyler Perry email marketing back then focused on making it personal. He would send emails about personal activities like, hey, I went to this store the other day. And Tyler Perry would send emails about professional activities. Here's a list of upcoming shows. At the end of the day, it's all about sales. Sales, some sales, and a little bit more sales, right? Yet you have to provide value. You have to have a grand slam offer. You need to connect with more people who should care about what you do. If you want to learn more about the power of email marketing for your business, then type email marketing in the comment section. Think of me as your librarian. Instead of telling you to just Google it, I'm going to give one of you free access to my email marketing for beginners course. So go ahead and place your comments in the section below. Tell me what you've learned so far, please. All right, just go ahead and do that now. Remember, Tyler Perry did all of this before social media. Don't forget, you don't own YouTube channel. You don't own your own YouTube channel. You don't own a Facebook page. You don't own the LinkedIn profile. They own it. You lease it. And you can get locked out and kicked off at any moment. But guess what? Tyler Perry owns an email list that now has over 800,000 fans, which he will never get banned from his own list. He won't get kicked off from it. He owns the email marketing list. And you need to own your own email marketing list today. Here's why. Number one, email marketing helps you build relationships. The more your audience sees that you're making an effort to reach out, provide value, and deliver on your promises, the more likely they will stay loyal to you. Number two, email can stretch your marketing dollars. Tyler Perry Studios wasn't worth $1 billion back then, so no dollar could be wasted, ever. Now compare that to your print marketing spend. How well is that local shopper doing for your plumbing or HVAC business? Number three, is there anything better than getting instant gratification? If you type in the comment section, free CRM, I'll give you a template that you can use immediately. If you're just starting out your small business, it will help you organize your leads. It will save you time using a proven format. And when you're ready to upgrade to a paid CRM like Zoho, Salesforce, or automate your business with Thrive, you can just upload the file with all your leads absolutely free. Type free CRM if you want it. Because using a CRM and email marketing, it's one of the few channels where you can see results right away. So hit the like button now if this has been a helpful tip for you. Now, as soon as you send out marketing emails that has a great offer, you can have subscribers making purchases just about immediately. So what software sends emails for you while you sleep? For email marketing, I use Aweber. I have had the paid plan for years. I even became a certified partner because of my knowledge of this software platform. What do I like about the Aweber email marketing platform? First, Aweber has United States-based customer service and 24/7 chat support. Second, Aweber has landing pages, done-for-you campaigns, and email or e-commerce tools that helps us sell more with email marketing. But here's a bonus for you. We were able to automate everything by integrating it into one software platform, which has saved a lot of time and a lot of headache. I go to one source, and that's Aweber. My bonus partner links are in the description section, so you can start email marketing for free. What more business growth health? Schedule a consultation session in the description section. If you want free advice, visit kendallmatthews.com for free workshops and templates for service-based business owners only. And subscribe to this channel. Remember what Tyler Perry said when they questioned him. Remember those people who question you. Just ramp up your work ethic and you'll laugh all the way to the bank. Like and save this episode if it was helpful. Now listen and remember this.
Okay, 20 million the first weekend. He laughed at me at the table.
Real quickly, listen. The days of giving your personal cell phone number to clients are long gone. Be a professional with our sponsor, hasslefree800.com, and get a digital business phone system for as low as $12 per month by calling today 1-855-640-6449.